So hello po, what's up, hello, welcome back, Kalinga Prab. Ayan, so ngayon, eto na ang pinakahihintay natin. Actually every year nangyayari itong fashion show natin during summer, and collaboration with ALM and of course ng Velvet Box. Hindi naman ito matutuloy kung wala ang Velvet Box eh. So kung parang magiging simple promotional event or modeling or fashion show, yan, model namin yung mga items ng Velvet Box. So yan, at the same time, experience sa mga Kalingap Angels, diba, mga beneficiaries natin. At yun, ito si Queen, itong iba nasa likod.
Hello po.
Let's go. So tara. Nandun na sila, makikita nyo kung sino mga nandun. Sila Marian, Dennis,
Kasala ko lo. Niyayabangan ako, niyayabangan. Palakpakan mo ko lo, malagala ako doon.
Ain't it time to rise above it? Stand up to hate and be brave. It's time for a change.
Sexy talaga! Ang sexy naman ito! Rosalinda! Wala na! Ayoko na! Halika na!
Wow! Velvet Box Shades!
Ganda! Hindi pa inilalabas, no?
Guys, ito ang malupit! Mga fashion show!
Do the things that are not even in our class. Up in the
Sasayaw kayo mamaya!
Ay, hindi natin. Kalingap Brown.
not even in our class. Up in the impression we make is going to stand. Maybe it's going to last if we face the consequences of a little less of mistakes. The things we do, I'm putting a stake off just in the bag and setting for cake. I'm safe to say that I'm not a perfect man. Not a perfect man. I try my best to be myself, but I'm messing up.
Ano nangyari? Bago Kalingap Angel. Bago kay Angel. Grabe guys, busy mga tao. Magalo-halo na ALM talent saka Kalingap team. So, ayun. Naka-excite na mga mangyayari, kaganapan.
Got a gun on my head, I'm losing myself. So maybe I chill one stay up, make time and maybe a day off. I try my best to speak out, put in the next to speak out. So I'm telling you things to keep calm, and I feel like I'm running a long mile, but nobody there. Feel like I'm carrying a heavy load and it's up on my head. I'm feeling cold, but I'm running ahead. I won't stop, I was really hoping and I won't stop. It's not the same, like all the pressure is up on my head. Am I insane? Cause I'm losing my mind, trying to become a better man. Hope I won't fail. The journey is long, but I can fall like a ping pong, but I stand strong like a king kong. And I make sure I keep the top notch in the face. I won't fail, and I'm running and feeling like John Stone. Even if my skin was to go pale, I'll stand defending my own truth. So I'm taking a chance, I'm ending it wrong. I wish to rewrite the future, looking at the bigger picture. No, I'm not perfect, but putting myself together and doing the lot of bigger. I'm not a perfect man, I'm not a perfect man. I'm trying my best to be myself, but I'm messing up. I'm just a lonely man, I'm so lonely man. Taking over my fault, becoming a better man, so I messed up, but I made a plan. This is what I do when I'm over to the banga, but I still gonna push for the climb. But no one can never be Mr. Right. Went from the left and then to the right. I can't see, I think I lost my sight. So scared that I can't even fight. From the beginning, I knew to be fine. The bag I've been jumping, I so sublime.
Bansak ng liga.
Para maging meteor garden. Kasi sa lakas mga sunshine, no?
Sama natin si Sir Alvin para lima tayo dito. Isa sa mga pinaka-iniintay
Exactly.
ng ating programa this afternoon. Kanina pa natin ito binabanggit. Yes, Mr. CJ. Actually, some of the people here, alam na nila kung sino yung susunod na labas kasi nakita yung papasok. Pero sa akin hindi pa. Just to give you an idea, this next set of people are known for their social services and a charity work. And who already have almost 15 million followers in all social media platforms. Very seen how sikat that huge. Yes, who is CJ. And that is the Team Kalinga. Pwede naman po na suporta ng Team Kalinga. Ano ba yun? Hindi naman ganun dapat support. Paano ba that goes well? Sige, go ahead.
Marinig ka ba ng suporta ng Team Kalinga?
Nalabot mo yung F-right note dun, ha?
We are known and specialized to 3D jewelry, accessories, smartwatches, and even beauty products na kaya nabanggit mo kanina. And that is the Velvet Bags Fashion Jewelry. And with that, mga kaibigan, partners, please welcome the Team Kalinga featuring Velvet Bags!
Dahil wangay ganda mo pala Pag tumawa ang iyong mata Hinahabol ko ang bawat mong tingin Pero ito'y di mo napapansin
Squash Chivalry featuring Team Kalinga, Kalinga Rock, Kalinga Angels, and Kalinga Boys. SM Siridanan and Nelson on the word representing you once again the Team Kalinga. And before that, we would like to introduce to you na makasama natin, of course, the gorgeous ladies in front, host Precious and host Sophie. Kapakilala naman kayo. So good afternoon everyone. My name is Maria Sofia Vitez-Guerrero, or also known as the debuting host for Sophie. Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Precious P. Molesto. I'm your host, Precious. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, we finally present the Team Kalinga. Palakpakan naman po sa Wow! It's indeed a mesmerizing performance coming from our Kalinga boys and Kalinga girls. But before we present the certificate or token of recognition or appreciation, we would like to hear some interview from our Kalinga girls. So hi! How is it feeling to be here? Happy. Just happy. How about coming from our Kalinga boys? Hi sir! How are you feeling? Okay, may gusto ba tayo batiin ng mga supporters?
Nabati ko pa yung mga fans ng Kalinga po dyan.
Nasa yung fans ng Kalinga dyan. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting Team Kalinga featuring the Velvet Bags Jewelries.
Indeed, a very beautiful performance. Ang daming beautiful ladies and beautiful handsome guys here at Camarines Norte.
It's not just the Kalinga, it's just the fashion jewelry na talagang binigyan nila ng magandang rap. It's also the faces of the Kalinga. Talaga namang it's giving. You know, SM Siridanan, Camarines Norte, without further ado, we would like to present the bouquet and token appreciation headed by our CEO, Sir Alvin Lestrangana. Because a round of applause, please.
And of course, hindi have available events and talents management, Team Kalinga, we would like also to invite Sir June and Clean Allen para naman po natin the CEO of Velvet Bags. Please receive our token. And we would like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga supporters. Right now, I'm giving you the chance to promote again Velvet Bags and future projects from Team Kalinga.
Hello po sa lahat sa Team Kalinga and also sa mga kasunod po namin sa Velvet Bags Corporation. Maraming salamat po sa matagumpay na event po nito. Salamat po sa mag-invite Sir Alvin. Lalo po sa aming models, napakaganda na showcase po nila ang aming mga produkto. And we would like to invite you all po to visit our business page, Velvet Bags INC, para makita niyo po yung nagsikantahan namin mga produkto. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir June. Please, Jack, I would like to say anything.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'd like to thank, of course, ALM for inviting us, Velvet Bags INC. We have our Facebook page, Velvet Bags INC, wherein you can easily check para po makita niyo yung aming mga nagagandang products. And sobrang natutuwa and I'd like to congratulate Velvet Bags INC for its first year anniversary. Na talagang nag-prosper and lumalago ang ating Velvet Bags INC. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumatanggilig sa ating mga kasolo. And also shoutout po sa lahat ng mga Kalinga. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And of course, Kalinga Rob.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Una sa lahat, salamat po kayo sa napakagandang panahon ngayon at siyempre sa inyo mga nandito ngayon sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Team Kalinga at ngayon sa Velvet Bags. Sunod namin at pinodal ng mga kasama ngayon. Yan, salamat din po sa kanila. Talagang dedicated sa kanilang ginagawa. At siyempre kay Boss Alvin, thank you. Taon-taon na lang nagsasalamat sa lahat ng efforts mga events natin at partnership. So yun siyempre kay Tito June na napakasipag at kay Tito Christine talagang ginising nila yung aming pagiging business minded. Talaga di namin na-expect na magiging ganito kami ngayon. So thank you po. Sir June, siyempre sa Team Kalinga, Kuya Pa, at sa mga nandito ngayon, Kalinga partners, God bless po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Sir Ron and Jack, and as well as the CEO of Velvet Bags. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin once again, Team Kalingap, featuring the Velvet Bags. But before that, let's have the photo opportunity. So please, do the honor, please, together with the Kalingap Boys and the Angels, together with the Velvet Bags. There we have it, Quezon City. It's always an honor to breathe the same air together with the Team Kalingap. You know, nahawaan tayo ng positivity nila. And of course, the generosity of these individuals. You know, they are not just famous here in Camarines Norte, but worldwide. They have so much supporters abroad, and the talents and the heart of its people, you know, radiate here in Camarines Norte. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Team Kalingap.
So yun, grabe. Napakalupit. Tapos na. Success. At yun. Sobrang saya namin. Na-experience muli namin ngayong taon itong fashion show. Pagrampa kami lahat dito. Ano, okay ba? Okay ba? Ayun. Next time ko ulit.
Mas maghahandaan. Dapat mo next year, topless na po tayo.
Oo, dapat.
Success. Bro, sabi ko ni Boss Albs, after daw nito.
May dinner.
Tayo, dyan lang ako, you know.
Anong oras,
Dyan lang ako sa tapat.
Bro, anong oras sa Merrick?
Ha?
Anong oras?
After nito.
After nito, hindi na mo na uuwi. Hindi na mo na magagawa ng CCTV.
Ano masasabi niyo? Experience? Masaya.
Masaya po.
First time ko din mag-ramp ng event back. Kasi last year ko yung pinapanood ko lang kayo. Kami naman po kasi yung last year na nila launch. Ayos.